iMe Telegram AI Messenger. So here is the app. Let's open it up. Welcome to iMe. Everything you love about Telegram plus more. Smarter feature, cleaner design, faster, more intuitive way to chat. Customize your experience. Built-in AI. You can use powerful AI models for chat, transform photos in different styles, and summarize conversations in seconds. Do more in chat. Advanced protection. Login in seconds. And then there is iMe Premium. And then there is some ads. You see how. So here is, you see how it looks like. The overview, very similar design. It kind of looks with Telegram. And here is how it looks like. You can see your profile, wallet, recent calls, chat folders, privacy, security, Telegram Premium, your stars, everything is imported in here. And then, you just have this AI chat. This is kind of like a skin, not like a skin, like a wrapper for Telegram, but some people actually like it. It's a good product. It's a good app. Everything looks very similar to Telegram. And so that's kind of how it looks like.